Good morning and welcome to October. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're not, thank you so much for being with me. It's hard these days because I'm just like lacking inspiration. The inspiration is not at the rendezvous. Okay. Makeup routine check. This is how I do my eyeliner. I'm just winging it. Wow. And I don't go all the way because I like it this way. That's it. That's it. That's all. Check the other one. Damn, this liner is about to die. Why? Because it was working fine on the other side. Why? Okay. Then I don't like foundation anymore, so I'm not gonna do it. But I'm gonna do a little bit of blush. Tell me why I missed 2016 YouTube. When everybody was doing makeup tutorials and it was so nice. Anyways, gotta move on with my life. Using this one. Can you focus? Wow. I always wanted to be YouTubers. And I always wanted to do that. Wow. Okay. To make it focus, like. Oh, damn. That's a little much. You know what? That's fine. I think it matches with my t-shirt perfectly. Matchy matchy. Okay. Now, my brows are like not filled at all, so I'm just gonna like add a little bit. This makes my eyes pop a little bit more. Like very, very, very subtle. Then I'm gonna brush them. And this is my fave. Then, oh my god, the movie. And then.
Start to piss me off, lady. And then?
I'm using this one. Oh my god, I have it for a long ass time. It lasts long and it stays on for a long time. I really like it. It is this one. In the color Natural Blush. Okay. So I like doing it here because I don't know, it's like the way it looks, and I'm just gonna do it a little bit here. Just do that. Then, let me do this one. And let me do like the real 2016 YouTubers. Don't look at my nails. They were always like, don't look at my nails, and their nails were always perfect. Ugh, that was so annoying. Anyways, I hate that because ColourPop, you have to do something about that. Every time I take it off, like, it goes everywhere. And now it's on my makeup vanity. Thank you. You have to fix this. At least it smells good. And then I'm so annoying. Fresh AF. Yep, that's me. That's the final look. I think I'm ready for my day. Look at my Patrick shirt. I love SpongeBob. Oh, I'm not okay. Oh, I'm not okay. I'm too tired. Since my skin is not okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of skincare because this is the self-care day to day. Okay. They're not even pink. I'm so disappointed. Well, that's fine. It looks like that. Okay. You know what I got? I got that for fun. For shits and giggles. I'm scared. So what I'm gonna do is I'll probably wear that. I will look crazy. So I will probably tell you right now that I will let you go. And don't forget to like the video if you made it that far. Also, I wish you an excellent morning, afternoon, or evening, when you're watching this vlog. I will see you tomorrow. Okay, take care. Okay. Let me see. I'm scared. Okay, let me see if I look like a zombie yet. Okay. It looks like this. I'm just gonna go for it. It needs to be straight. Nobody screenshot that. Okay. Okay, guys. How did beauty YouTubers did it? They always look so good with a mask and everything. I don't know how they did it. But that's how